Alright, let me turn this fan down so we don't have that background noise of that. As you know, we got 2 weekends left. This coming weekend and the following weekend, and then halfway through the week we go to Sparks. That means I've got a lot to do this weekend. I'm also going to hold off on showing you guys the golf cart because I need to do a test fit. I'm going to start a video, but I'm not going to upload the video until I get a complete video just for the golf cart. So I need to do a test fit and make sure that the tires and rims and everything fits on there. And then I need to figure out what offset I need of spacers to kick it out. So anyway, that's going to be a whole nother video. So I'm going to at least test fit and figure out exactly where they got to be. Aside from that, my wife already told me that the shipment from Thorbros is already in. That literally took, 4 days? I ordered them and they're at the house. So I got the fittings that I need to be able to put on the bags, and all I got to do is go to the storage and pick up the airline and whatever other air management stuff that I can get from there. I've got a little bit of a running list of stuff that I need to pick up and bring that to the house. So that means that we'll be able to get the rear airbags on and the airlines, and the lug nuts are in. So I need to put the rear rims on with the lug nuts, get that set up, and then I can start playing with the front end and with the lower control arms. Yes, my daughter does have another game, but it's in town, so it should only take a couple hours out of my day. So the way it's looking, I might get back halfway through Friday, so I'll have the rest of Friday to be able to try to get as much done as I can. Early Saturday morning, I'll be able to get some more stuff done. My wife works this weekend, so she won't be there. Take my daughter to the game, come back, and start working on the Ranger again. I need to get as much done as I can, because then, the following weekend we got to get the bed on, and then we got to get the gas tank in there, get it wired up, get everything hooked up to it. So much to do in 2 weekends. I just cut my dog's hair and I've got hair everywhere right now. I try to clean up as much as I can with just a few little pieces floating around. So that's it. That's what I got going on for this weekend. So many different things that we need to try to do before Sparks. We're going to be going down to Sparks, or going up to Sparks from where we live, on a Thursday, and checking in a hotel, and then I'm going to film that whole weekend. That'll be probably the weekend when I get everything together for the golf cart, and hopefully, because I have to find out what the offset is so that I can order the parts that I need to get those rims on there. I can't, my mind is going crazy with the number of things that need to get done this weekend, and it's going to get done. That's all there is to it. It's going to get done. The truck is going, I need to be able to get it together, and the following weekend be able to get it started so I can drive it onto the trailer. And then aside from that, then we got to figure out where the damn golf cart's even going to fit. I don't know if it's going to fit in the bed of the truck, or if it's going to have to go on the trailer with the mini truck. I don't know yet. So we'll figure that out when the time comes, but please stay tuned. So much going on this weekend video, because as far as I can see, the weather's going to be okay, and I'm going to have to just sweat my ass off and lose a couple pounds this weekend while I'm getting everything together. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and give me some comments at the bottom. Talk to you guys later.